Hello everyone, my name is S.N. Patil. In this video lecture, we will discuss the curve fitting. Here, we discuss the linear curve fitting. Okay. The first, we will discuss what is the method of least square. Let we have y is equal to f of x with a continuous function on AB. Then error of approximation is E is equal to y minus f of x. Y is true value and this is the approximation. Okay. Now then here Weierstrass theorem is there. If f of x is continuous function on AB for a epsilon greater than 0, there exists polynomial p of x such that mod of f of x minus p of x is less than epsilon for all x belongs to AB. Okay, so we first squaring both sides of the equation number 1. Here, when we take the square, then the error is minimized. Error is minimized, and we write in terms of summation as a. So this is the for first. Then in general, we write e suffix I bracket square. Summation is running from I is equal to 1 to n. Y suffix I minus f of x suffix I bracket square. The base line, the base fitting line is that line for which the sum of the square e square is minimum. Okay. Now let us see the linear curve fitting. Linear curve fitting means straight line. What is the process? Let we have the data x1, y1, x2, y2, dot, 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 xn, yn with the given data. So here, from this given data, we find out the nature of the curve. Okay. So first, we identify the least square approximation. Let y is equal to f of x. F of x means what? This is the linear curve fitting. Y is equal to a plus bx. Okay. Now here the difference of y and a plus bx means f of x. That is the error. That is error is equal to y minus f of x. Okay. Now simplify this. That is error is equal to y minus a minus b of x. Now sum of the squares of the error should be minimum, so that we squaring here. We squaring here, that is, see, we squaring here, and this is a function of a and b. Okay, and the necessary condition that the function left hand side, the function has a minimum when its partial derivative with respect to a and with respect to b is 0. So we differentiate equation 4. Differentiate equation 4 with respect to a and with respect to b and equate to the 0. See, this is the with respect to a derivative, with respect to b derivative, and equal to 0. Now solving these two equations, then we get summation y is equal to na plus b times summation x. Okay. Similarly, second equation, summation xi is equal to a times summation x plus b summation x square. Here summation is running from I is equal to 1 to n, means these are the points. It means there is a n points are there. Okay. So instead of this, we write in a simple form as a summation y is equal to na. N means what? If there are n points, then n. If there are particularly 3 points, then we write 3a. So there are n points we have considered, that is na plus b summation x. This is the first equation, and second is summation xy is equal to is equal to A summation X plus B summation X square. So these are the simple equation instead of writing I is equal to 1 to N. So how we can remember? Now see, we have the equation Y is equal to A plus BX. The first multiply summation throughout, that is summation. Now here summation A means the summation is run from given point, means there are n points, then here n. Okay, so here if there are 4 points, then we write here 4, then summation here operate, then B is constant summation. In this way, the first equation multiplied summation, we get the first equation. After that, multiplied here X throughout, that is X into Y, AX, B into X, and then multiplied summation sign. Okay, in this way we can remember the formula. The formula number 5 and 6 means this is 5 and this is 6 is called as a normal equation. Okay. And when we solve 5 and 6, we get the value of A and B and substitute this value here, we get the required linear fitting, means we get the straight line from the given data. Okay. Okay, substitute here, we get Y is equal to A plus BX, and the equation 5 and 6 is called normal equation for a fitting straight line to a given data. Okay, now let us take the example on the linear curve fitting. Now using the method of least square fit, a straight line to the following data. See, this is the data. Okay, if we have the data and the question for the linear curve fitting means straight line. Okay, so first we write the equation Y is equal to A plus BX. Then the normal equation. See, we have the write the normal equation. This is the first equation and this is the second equation. Okay, the first write linear equation, then normal equation. These are the normal equation. Okay, so first normal equation and second normal equation. Now, as per as the requirement of equation 1 and 2 concerned, we require the table. Okay, the first column for X and the second column for the Y. So here the summation of X, it means what? Take the addition of this all the points. Okay, that is summation of X. It means the summation is running from I is equal to 1 to 5. Here I is equal to 1 to 5. Summation X means sum of all X values. Now here summation Y means sum of all Y values. Okay, 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 10 is equal to 30. Now the next requirement is X square. Then we prepare the column for X square. Then summation of XY, we prepare the column for XY. See the number of requirement, summation X. So we must have the X column. Summation Y, we must have the Y column, X square and XY. So these are the column of X square, column of X into Y. Now take its summation. The summation X square means sum of all these points. Okay, that is the 55, and sum of all these points, that is 110, means summation XY. Okay, now put all these value. Put all these value. This one, in equation 1 and 2. Put in equation 1 and 2. Okay, so we get the first we write equation 1. The summation Y is 30 is equal to NA. N means number of points given. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is 5 times A plus B. Okay, and summation of X, This is the summation of x, that is the 15. Okay, now next equation 2. Equation 2, the left hand side is summation xy. This is the summation xy. That is 110 is equal to a summation x is 15. Summation x is 15 plus b summation x square, that is the 55. Okay, now write this both equation in simple form. That is the 5a plus 15b is equal to 30. Okay, and the second one is 15a plus 55b is equal to 110. This is the 30. Okay, now solve these two equations simultaneously. So here the second equation we keep as it is, and in first equation the here the coefficient of a is 5 and here 15. So how we get the 15 here? We multiplied here just 3. So we get this equation as a 15a, okay, then 45, 15 into 3, 45b is equal to 3 into 3, that is 90. Now take its subtraction. Okay, so minus, 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 15a cancel. Now 55 minus 45. Okay, so we get 10b is equal to 110 minus 90, that is 20. Okay, now 10 is divided, b is equal to 20 divided by 10. So we get 2. The value of the b is equal to 2. Now put this value in first equation, otherwise second equation, we get the value of a. Okay, now I'm putting here, suppose this is equation number 3, this is equation number 4. I'm putting this in a 3. Put in equation number 3. Okay, that is 3 become 30 is equal to 5a plus b into b is 2. B is 2 into 15. Now 15 into 2, 30, and here 30, 30 will get cancelled. That is 5a is equal to 0. 5 never 0. It implies a is equal to 0. Okay. Now we got here a and b. Put this a and b in equation 1. Equation number 1. Y is equal to a is 0 plus 2x. That is y is equal to 2x. So in this way we get the straight line passing through the origin. We can verify. When we put x is equal to 1, we get 2. Put x is equal to 2, we get the 4. X is equal to 3, we get the 6. Okay. So this is the least square feet, a straight line to the given data. Now let us take the second example. Using the method of least square feet, a straight line to the following data. Okay. Now the question for the straight line. So first we write the linear equation, that is y is equal to a plus bx. Now normal equation, how we can write the normal equation? Just multiply summation. Okay, first equation. How we can write the second equation? Multiply first x, xy, here ax, and here x square, then multiply summation sign. Okay, so these are the two normal equation. Now what is the requirement of the equation 1 and 2? We must have the summation x, summation y, summation x. So for that, prepare the column of x and y. Okay, this is the column of x. Now take its summation. So we get summation is 3. Now y, take its summation. We get the summation of all the points is 3.748. Okay, now next requirement, is x square. So we prepare the column of x square. Then x into y. We prepare the column of x into y. See here, the x square, 0.2 square, 0.4 square, 0.6 square, 0.8. Now x into y, that is 0.094. X into y. Okay. So in this way, we get the x into y column. Take its addition, all the numbers addition, we write summation xy is equal. Take its addition, we get summation x square is 2.2. Okay. Now put all these value in equation, put in equation 1 and 2. Okay. We get substitute here summation y. Summation y is 3.748 is equal to n means number of point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is 5 times a plus summation x. Summation x means 3. So we write 3 and b. Okay, that is b into 3 and 3 into b, both are the same. Now next, summation xy. Summation xy, that is a 2.5224 is equal to summation x. Summation x is 3 and this a, that is 3a plus summation x square, that is 2.2 and b, 2.2 and into b. Okay. Now here the coefficient of a, yeah, coefficient of b, both are the different here. We multiplied, suppose this is the equation number 3 and equation number 4. We multiplied equation 3. What is the coefficient of a here? 3 by 3. And equation 4 multiplied by, here the coefficient of a is 5. So we multiplied by 5 to equation number 4. So we get equation 3 is equal to 3.748 into 3. Okay, that is 11.244 is equal to 5 into 3, 15a plus 9b. 3 into 3, 9. Okay, now equation 4 we multiplied by 5. Now 5 into 2.5224. So we get here 12.612 is equal to 5 into 3, that is 15a, and 5 into 2.2. So we get 11.0 means 11. Okay. Now here the coefficient of a is same. We use simultaneous method. Now take its subtraction. Now 15a cancel. Okay, here we get minus here 0. Okay, here we get minus 2b, and here we get minus 1.368. Okay, the minus sign is cancelled and 2 is a divide. Then we get b is equal to 1.368 divided by 2. Okay, that is b is equal to 0.684. Okay, now we got the b here. Now we want the a. For a, we put this value in equation 3. Put in equation number 3. Then equation 3 become equation 3, 3.748 is equal to 5a plus 3 into 0.684. We get here, keep this 5a as it is and put this term in right hand side. That is 5a is equal to, put this term in left hand side. That is 3.748 minus here's we get, just wait, we get 3.748 3 into 0.684. Okay, right. 2.05. Okay. After simplifying, we divide the 5 here. Just later. That is 3.748 minus 2. Divide the 5. I'm using here calci 0.3392. We get value of A. Now put the value of A and B in equation. Put in equation 1. We get Y is equal to 0.3392 plus 0.684 into X. Okay. So we get this is linear curve fitting. Okay, now second equation, using the method of least square fit, find the straight line to the following data. Okay, so we have the data. So first we consider the linear equation y is equal to a plus bx. Then it's normal equation. We just multiply the summation. We get the first equation. Now second equation multiplied here x first throughout x into y, x a, x square. Then multiplied summation sign. Okay. The requirement is summation x, summation y. So first we prepare the column of x and y. Take its addition. Its addition is 73. Its addition is 340. Now we want x square, xy. So prepare the column. Okay. Now summation of all these points, that is the summation x square, that is 1435. X into y means 12 into 50, that is 600. 15 into 70. In this way, we calculate all this point and take its summation, we get 6,750. Now put this value in equation 1. Put in equation 1 and 2. Okay. So we get the equation 1 as the value of the summation y is 340 is equal to the value of the n means 1, 2, 3, 4. That is 4a plus summation x is 73 into b. Now next summation xy. Summation xy is 6,750 is equal to 73a, that is summation x, plus the value of the summation x square is 1435 into b. Okay, so here equation, this is the equation 3, equation 4, equation 3, the coefficient of a are different. So we multiplied equation 3 by 73 and equation 4 we multiplied by 4. Okay, so we get here 24,820 is equal to 292a plus 5,329b, and the second one is 27,000 is equal to 2,092a plus 5,740b. Now take its subtraction. So here 292 is cancelled, and here we get minus 2,180 is equal to, and here we get 0, and here minus 411b. So we get b is equal to, minus sign cancel and 400 is divide here. That is b is equal to 2,180 divided by 411. That is b is equal to 5.3046. 5.304. Okay, put this value in 3. Put in equation 3. Then equation 3 is 340. 340 is equal to 4a plus 73 into 5.304. Okay, so 340 is equal to 4a. Now multiply this. The simplification is 387. 387.192. We get, now put this term in left hand side. Okay, and the 4 is divided. 4 is divide. So we get just wait. A is equal to, now 340 minus 387.192 divided by 4. So by calci we get a is equal to minus 11.792792. Okay. Okay. Now put this a and b in equation. Put in linear equation. Y is equal to minus 11.798 plus the value of the b is 5.304x, so which is required linear curve fitting, that is the straight line. Okay, thank you for watching.